In this tutorial, we will show you how you can make a portfolio or gallery section on your WordPress website. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel. Here, you will find the option to add portfolio gallery here. Either you can create a portfolio category or either you can add a new portfolio category. Portfolio category will help you to make a specific portfolio or gallery for a specific purpose. And you can add new portfolio item or clicking here. Now we will visit our portfolio gallery section. Here you will see all the portfolio or gallery item here. You see that we already have few portfolio or gallery item here. Now we will show you how you can add new. Click the add new button here. Also you can add new item by clicking here add new. It is just like creating a page or post. So you need to add a title like gallery test 1. Okay, then you need to add some content here. It can be text or images, whatever you want, but we prefer text. Okay, we will add some content here. Okay, and here we will paste it. Okay, so then you can assign this portfolio or gallery item to a specific category. So we are going to assign it for the gallery. Then you need to upload a featured image. Click here, and now you need to upload a image that should be 400 pixel width and 400 pixel height. If you upload smaller images, then your portfolio item or portfolio or gallery image will not be visible on your website. So it is better to upload larger images, but the minimum size is 400 pixel width and 400 pixel height. Okay, so we will select this image and it is already 400 pixel width and 400 pixel height. That is the minimum requirement and it is perfect. So we now click the open link and the new image will be uploaded on your WordPress media library, and then click the set featured image. Okay, we are done. We just have to click the publish button now. So our new portfolio or gallery item were added, and you see here we have added a few examples here how to use the portfolio gallery section. You see that this is the shortcut we can use for our portfolio gallery. So we also have added some parameters or arguments for this portfolio or gallery plugin, and that is the type. It can be a grid view or a slider. Okay, and then you also can add a specific portfolio or gallery item by IDs. You can easily get the IDs if you visit here. You see that each specific portfolio or gallery item has its ID. So you can copy the IDs and you can add those here. Also, you have option to limit how many portfolio or gallery item will be shown on your website. Okay, then you have option to select the column layout. For the grid view, you have option up to show 4 columns as a grid view. But when you are using a portfolio or gallery as a slider, you can define as many column as you want. Then you have the pagination option. You know that pagination will be used for the grid view only. but the slider cannot show any pagination. And category. So you know that if you need to show a specific portfolio or gallery for a specific purpose, then this option will help you a lot. If you visit here, portfolio, gallery, and category, you see that for a specific portfolio or gallery, you have a specific shortcode. And here you see that is the category ID, and you can use this to show a specific portfolio or gallery on your specific purpose. So it is really cool. Then you have option to hide the links. So if you do not want to show your links on the pages, you just have to define it as no. Then title, whether you want to show the title or not, you can do it here. And here is the excerpt. So if you visit our website, this demo website, well, so if you want to show the excerpt content, then you can also do it, or if you do not want to show it, and you also can do it. Okay, so we are going to create a page here, and we will make it gallery text. Now we will use a shortcode like here. First, we will use a shortcode that will show all the portfolio gallery item. So we do not need this sections. And we did not add any specific values for these parameters. So, but it is still okay. So we are going to publish this page. Okay. So we will see all the portfolio or gallery in a gallery view with 3 column and pagination on by default. But you have option to make it a slider. So you just have to define it here, slider. Okay. Update that page, and if you refresh your website, and you see that it is a slider with a 3 column by default, and with a title, excerpt, and everything is by default. So if you want to show 4 column instead of 3, so you have to define the column. Here I'm going to add 5 column and click the update, and if you refresh your website, you see that the 5 column is here. And if you do not want to show the excerpt content here, this is the excerpt content, and you see that it is the linkable. Okay, so if you do not want to show the excerpt, so just make it no. And if you refresh your website, you see that the excerpt were gone. So you do have the total flexibility while creating a portfolio page with this with the help of this plugin. Also, when you are using to make a to show a specific portfolio or gallery item on a page, you can choose this this shortcode. It also has the same ability just like this one. So I will also show you here. So you see that it is the specific portfolio or gallery that is under the specific category, and it is the type is slider. Okay, now we will update this page, and if we refresh our website, you will see that we do have, one moment, let me refresh the website correctly. Okay, so you see that we do have another slider with a specific portfolio items. So we also can make it grid view if we just change the type to grid, and if we refresh our website, we'll see that it appeared as a grid, and the same functionality you can apply it here, whether it will be a slider or a grid view. The limit that will limit the content how many portfolio item will be shown on your website, and the column. For the grid view, you can use up to 4 columns, but when you are using a slider, you do have the option to make as many columns as you want. And if you do not want to make your portfolio items clickable, you do not want to you want to remove the link, you just have to make it no. Okay, and it should be great. I'm going to remove the other one. Okay, so if we update our page and refresh this page, we'll see that it is not clickable. So it is really cool, and you do have the full flexibility how your slider, portfolio, gallery, cursor slider, or portfolio item or a image gallery will be appeared on your website. So you see that we do have the 4 column here, and as the maximum number for the grid view is 4, but we can make it 2 and update this page. And if we refresh our page, you see that the 2 column view is enabled, and you do have the pagination on for this page. And if you do not want to show the pagination, just make it no and update the space. And 1 moment, let me refresh now. Okay, so you see that the pagination were gone. Okay, and you see that it is really cool to showcase your portfolios very attractively, and whether it can be a grid view or a slider, it is up to you. Also, you do have option to make separate portfolio or gallery item using the portfolio gallery features, and you can show them whether it should be a slider or grid view. Actually, under the each portfolio or gallery item, we have added a good example for the shortcuts that can be used, and it is really cool. Thank you very much.